Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix airdrop not working on iPhone in iOS 15. Solution number 1, turn off VPN. Go to settings app on your iPhone. Next click on general. Now click on VPN and device management. If VPN is enabled, disable it, then try share your files. Solution number 2, check the restriction. Go to settings app. Next click on screen time. Now click on content and privacy restriction. Click on the allowed app here. Turn on airdrop. Solution number 3, set everyone for airdrop. Go to settings app on your iPhone. Click on general. On the next page, click on airdrop. Select everyone. Thanks for watching this video.